Good morning, everybody. We're going to take a tour. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. It is an A day again, and it is Earth Day. All right, so for science, for today, you're going to take an Earth Day quizzes. Only one rule on this, it's due by 3 o'clock, not 11:59. In social studies, you have your second day to work on your slides. Remember, you're only doing a few slides here today. The first couple are just informational slides to tell you about Genius Hour and the steps in this process. So in the voice thread, I went over all of these topics and this gave you some pictures. So all you're really doing here is brainstorming. So I gave you an example already. If you are interested in art, how would you turn that into something you can study about Rome? You could look at Roman art, you could look into Roman paintings, Roman clay sculptures, or even Roman statues. So what I'm asking you to do is come up with 2 or 3 more topics that you're interested in from the topic ideas, or if you have your own. And then over here, I'm asking you to tell me how you could turn that idea that you're interested in into Roman history. Okay, and so you don't really need to use slide 9 if you don't need to. It's fine. Okay, so today you're adding the 2 to 3 more interesting topics and then telling me how you could research something about Rome on that topic. Then for slide 10, you do have to choose one of your topics from slide 8. So you are choosing from the list over here. So you're choosing one of these smaller topics, okay? And you're putting that question right here, or that topic right here. And then for your idea board right here, you can click on it and it'll take you to a place where you can create sort of like an organizer of things that you want to look at. Now for slide 12 and 13, you're going to be just looking through these and see how you can make a question about what you want to study in Rome. So here is your slide for your questions. So if you chose Roman paintings, you've got to come up with 5 questions that you could possibly research about Roman paintings. And then the only other slide you have is you're going to take one of those questions that you brainstormed on slide 14 and you're going to type it here. So you're really only going to research one of the 5 questions. That's going to be the question that you want to look up about ancient Rome. Okay, so that's how you do those slides. Then for math, for Wednesday, you're going to do a practice buddy on 9-1. It will be graded in Genesis, so please take your time. For Tuesday through Thursday, you're continuing to do your text slides. Yesterday you were supposed to do 1 through 4. However, I did number 1 for you on a separate attachment, so you could have just copied that. So today you're going to do Seth, Amy, Dad, and Eric. And that's it. So for Are You Ready? Don't forget to continue working 15 minutes a day on math or reading. Our goal is 3 math, 3 reading. And that is it. That's the tour of the day. So I hope you have a good day working.